Deepak Kshatriya, and I'm going to welcome you all to another new session in Deepak's Kitchen. As I promised you, I'm going to teach you another exotic dish known as goat brain fry. Here are the brains. Very creepy and very exotic at the same time. This is actually a very delicate dish, which is very smooth and goes very well. You just feel like eating a piece of a butter. It will just melt down like that. Without being said, let's dig in and see how this is done.
Press the bell icon on YouTube app. Never miss another update.
For this, let's lit on the fire and keep a vessel and add 2 cups of water and bring the water to a boil. The water has come to a boil and it's time to add in the goat brain. Be very gentle. These are very delicate. You can actually crush them in a very gentle hand. Add them in the water, and for this there is a new trick to clear all the impurities for them. Add in 2 spoons of milk. The milk will bring up all the impurities present in the goat brain. This is a nice way to clean up and eat healthy. As the water and milk start to boil, look, all the impurities present in this will start rising up. At this time, we'll pick up the froth and discard the impurities. These need to be discarded. Let's switch off the flame and take the goat brain and run in a cold water as it stops the cooking process. And now let's lit on the fire again and place a small wok. Add a tablespoon of oil and let it get heat. As soon as the oil gets heated, I'll add 3/4 of a shahi jeera, and then I'll add nearly 3/4 cup of a ginger garlic paste. Saute until the raw smell goes away. And now add in the finely chopped tomatoes and cook until the tomato gets mushy. The tomato is cooked fine, and now it's time to add in some dry spices. 1/4 teaspoon of dhania powder, salt to taste, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, and we'll add some water and mix until it's cooked. And now it's time to add in the fried onions. Give it a quick stir. We'll add in the garam masala powder. We'll give it a quick stir, and now it's time to add in the brain. Make sure you don't cut too much. It's very delicate. Just make few pieces and add. Just mix along. If you want, you can add some water and cook for another bit. I'm going to cook for another 1 minute, so as all the spices would be consumed by the brain. Let's simmer it for another 2 minutes in a medium flame. Now the buttery soft goat brain fry is all ready. It's time for taste. Wow, now it's time to taste the freaky, tasty, creepy goat lamb curry. I can't wait. Let me try this. I'm taking a nice big chunk of a brain. It's very hot. It just feels like you're just eating a chunk of a butter. It just literally melts in your mouth. And fried onions gives you a nice taste. Awesome. Really awesome. This is very good. You can try in your home and let me know how this is been. This has been a very nice journey till now. You guys keep supporting me. I will try my level best to bring more such exotic and tasty recipes like this. For more such videos like this, please do subscribe to my channel and share. We'll meet you in the next session. Till then, this is your host and dost Deepak Kshatriya signing off. A peace. Jai Hind. I can sense that I'm becoming more intelligent by eating this brain.